guy. He flew me out to LA a couple times, and we hung out a lot. We did a music video together, and we're still in contact. We just text every now and then.
Okay, so are you friends with a lot of rappers?
I wouldn't say a lot, but I tried to stay friends with them whenever they reach out. If they end up being like weird or something, it's just I don't want to be friends with them.
What's the weirdest thing that ever happened?
I've had people like ask me to come over, and obviously that's insinuating sexual relations.
Like Netflix and chill.
Yeah.
And I mean, you're a good like Christian virgin girl. Yes. You would never do anything like that.
No, I'm definitely not doing all of that. For sure.
Now listen. Okay, I saw you on a trip that you went to Japan.
Yes.
Okay.
Recently.
Now I'm gonna ask you this. You got to be honest now.
Okay.
Were you going to recruit new Asian bops?